Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, the 17th of April. I'm James Spann. Got a chance of a few showers early tomorrow morning, but the next significant event comes on Sunday afternoon and Sunday night with another chance of severe weather across parts of the Deep South. That'll be the focus of this discussion, so let's dive in and talk about it. There's the upper look this morning. Pretty dry air mass here. Nice day today, but we note that system over California. That'll be racing through the southern branch of the jet stream, producing active storms here late this weekend. Yeah, not as cold this morning. Couple of 30s on the board. A few there, Jasper, Pell City, Gadsden. Most places in the 40s and 50s to start the day. Highs should be in the 70s in most spots. There's the watch warning map early this morning. We've got winter storm warnings for parts of Illinois, Iowa, and northern Missouri. A few pockets of winter weather advisories up into New England, and freeze warnings in effect for some spots. Here's the severe weather risk for tonight. No severe weather expected. That green you see here, that's for a surface boundary coming in here early tomorrow morning. This outlook runs through 7 a.m. tomorrow. There might be a clap of thunder somewhere early, but no severe weather problems. Tomorrow after 7 a.m., got a marginal risk of severe storms west of the state from the Mississippi Delta region down into the Texas Hill Country. And this will be the focus, day 3 on Sunday. A risk of severe storms again all across the Gulf Coast region. This is the probabilistic outlook on day 3, and a 30% ring through parts of Louisiana and roughly the southern half of Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia. And again, we have the hatched area defined, which means there could be a few strong tornadoes in that region. This is the outlook for Alabama, and again, don't get too focused up in these lines, but for the moment we have an enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5, south of a line from Tuscaloosa to Columbiana to Roanoke. The standard slight risk as far north as Fayette, Jasper, and Gadsden, and then a marginal risk up to the Tennessee state line. And much more about this in a moment. Rain for the next 7 days, the heaviest rain right here. Valid through Friday morning of next week. Some spots in Alabama could see over 4 inches of rain. That means flooding could be an issue at some point with the event Sunday and Sunday night. And then again with that next feature Wednesday night or Thursday of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid today at 4. You can see the trough over Southern California, but a nice day today. Lots of sunshine. The high will be well up in the 70s. But early tomorrow morning, a front comes in here. This is 4 a.m. tomorrow. Pre-dawn hours, a band of showers, maybe a thunderstorm. Most of you will sleep right through this because by 9 o'clock, it's all gone. Maybe some thunder down on the Florida Gulf Coast. And by Saturday afternoon, the sky becomes sunny, and again, we'll see a high close to 70. So after some showers early in the day, a nice afternoon. But the front moves northward as a warm front. And then Sunday got a surface low depicted by the GFS a little northeast of Shreveport. And again, it's going to be kind of a messy convective day, much like the situation on Easter. We'll have several waves of rain and storms, and how those waves behave kind of determine the ultimate severe weather threat. This is Sunday night at 10 o'clock, and the GFS depicts the surface low really around Greenville. And if that's the case, the northern half of the state would not have a risk of severe storms, but the European depicts the surface low near Chattanooga. And those little variations will make a huge difference in the severe weather placement, and we'll have to ride with that more reliable European, and that's the reason SPC has the marginal risk all the way up to the Tennessee state line. We're almost within range of the CAMs, not quite. CAMs convective allowing models, and they go out 60 hours. They allow for convection, and they're much more higher in resolution. This is the 60-hour, 3-kilometer NAM Sunday at 1 o'clock. And no doubt, South Alabama is going to be ripe with unstable air, South Mississippi. And the question is, can that unstable air be pulled northward? So this is the 12-kilometer NAM, valid at 10 o'clock Sunday night, and it pulls the instability up to around Jasper and a little north of Birmingham back over to Anniston. I'd say the risk for the Tennessee Valley is pretty low at this point, but for the rest of the state, yes, there's a chance the instability can go that high. This is the STP coming off the 12-kilometer NAM valid just a little after midnight Sunday night. And it's kind of got a max over southeast Alabama. But again, once we get within 60 hours, we can really have a better grasp on this thing. This is the approximate timing. And understand these windows will change probably, but it's going to be an afternoon and nighttime event for the state, 1 to midnight for the western side, 3 p.m. to 1 a.m. for the eastern side. And again, it looks like all modes of severe weather possible, the probability of large hail, damaging wind, and a few tornadoes. Will it be as productive as the Easter Sunday event? No, I don't think so. We had 23 or 24 tornadoes in the state. But still, it's a significant threat, especially for the southern half of the state. So we'll be watching very carefully. And then Monday, the wave is on by. We'll forecast partial clearing. We'll be in the 70s. We're dry Tuesday. Then Wednesday, the next system is off to the west. And then Wednesday night, the GFS depicts a surface low near Memphis, and that would be a setup for strong, maybe severe storms. And then Thursday, the surface lows up in Kentucky, and things begin to wind down. So if you take this on face value, we'd have the possibility of strong, maybe severe storms Wednesday night or Thursday morning of next week. And this is a week from today, Friday the 24th, big trough to the west. We're still dry at that point. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, the 26th of April. Wow, look at the trough over the east, and that would be cool and dry. Here's the rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 4 and 5 inches. And this is April in Alabama, time when it's wet and stormy. Temperatures mostly in the 70s, maybe bumping low 80s on a couple of days over the next 10 days. And the CPC outlook for April 24th through the 30th showing above average temperatures around here. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.